So, what is up nga na naman? It's your boy 2B back at it again para nga naman maglago ng horror game, no? So, ang lalagyan natin ngayon ay nagngangalang Palm 5913. Kung saan ito ay isang first person tapos ito ay may VHS effect. Kung saan i-explore natin ang mga lugar, man. Yun lang binigay na konteksto ng developer. So, ayun, simulan na natin. Zip! Okay. Palm 5913. Oh! Angas ah. So, nandito na tayo sa game, man. Okay, play this shite. Nandito na tayo, man. Okay. Okay. Oh no. Okay, let's go. Okay, it's locked. So, there's no probably here. The door is locked too, man. We're supposed to going to find some. Oh, what is this? Oh, ano to? Ano to? Ah! Gagi, ano yun? Oh, shit. Okay, we need to find an anomaly so we can get to another level, okay? Nice. What is this? So we're in a living room, okay? What do we need to find here, man? Hello? Any anomalies, man? Okay, what do we got here? Oh, ay! Visit ka. Ano yun? Okay. Let's check the TV, man. Come on. How do we turn this off? Do we need to turn it off? Okay, I think we're done here, man. Okay, next. I think we're not. Okay, is there something in here? Do we not? Ano? Okay. I'm getting goosebumps, man. What is an anomaly here? I think this. No, it's not. Save. What is an anomaly here, man? Do you have something here? Excuse me. Do you have something? Oh! What the heck is this? Gagi. Bakit may dugo at mata doon? Okay, we're next level again. What is this? Okay. Maliit na kwarto lang naman. The painting is weird, man. Oh, ano yan? Oh, stop with the flickering, man. Come on. Oh, hell no. Ba't ka nag-flicker? Ano yun? Hindi kumakatok, man. Ano to? Gogi. The fuck? Oh! Wait lang, ano yan? Okay, weird. Ano yan? Next. Anong kawirdoan na naman dito? Wow. Okay, remote. Anong gagawin dyan? Ah. Meron dito. Ay! Putek na yung sumilip doon. I swear to God. Ah, isubukan mo. Ano to? Ano? Titignan natin yan. Oh, shit. What is that?
Wyoming today, making him the first to visit in preparation for the 2008 general election. Republican President
Sinisilip talaga. The heck was that? Okay, lumabas ka. Okay. Do we need to get up? Do we need to watch this, man? Come on. Do we need to watch this? Or not? Oh. Bad time, man. Bad time. Signal is lost, man. Come on, let me out. Where the heck is that? Oh, I think we're done, man. Oh shit. Bad sign to, man. What? Wala na tayo maninext. Oh. Get out of there. I think ayun yung anomaly na sa TV. Ayun, sorry. Okay, next. Ayun yung anomaly, man. Okay, nice. Next. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, we're in next level now. What is this? The heck was that? Matayan, man. Yep, that's probably an eye. Whoop! Madami mata. Oh yeah. That's probably an eye. No cap, okay. It's 4:58. Well, we have no choice, man. Oh! Shit! The fuck? Ano? Natakot ka, man. What the freak was that? Okay. Alam ko naman gugulat na dito eh. Ano yan? The hell is even into that? I think it's a bug, man. Okay, next level. No? Okay. Ano to? Well, I can't go through there. Don't you dare, man. Ay! I think that's an anomaly, man. Oh, Show yourselves. Up. Okay. Okay, flashlight. Do we need the flashlight, man? I'ma just grab my flashlight here, man. Okay, thank you. Weapon in the dark room now. Shit. Bad sign, bad sign. Ah. Sana mawala manggulat dito, man. Oh, ano yun? Anomaly yan. Promise. Yan yung anomaly. O ano? Oh, well, hindi. Where is the anomaly, man? So I can get through to the next level, please. Well, I think this is an anomaly. Uy, gagi, oh. Ay! Ano yun? Ano yun? Okay, okay. Oh! Ano yun? Sagtugad, may nakita akong flesh and bone dun. Okay. Ano to? Ay! Reset. Next level, please. Thank you. Uy, liwanag. Okay, may liwanag naman. That is a good sign. Light is our friend. Okay. Oh, ano to? Hmm? Think we need to... Ayun na. Lahat na sila may get, man. Ito, get. Baba, ayun. Okay. Kailangan natin i-on lahat ng mga radio. I think that's probably it, man. Come on, man. Oh shit, ayan. Ano yan? Ayun, ano to? Okay, okay, I think we got it. Oh, hindi pala yung liwanag, man. Oh, what do we have here? Okay. What do we need to check, man? Okay, nagwawala siya. Hello, what do we need to check here, man? Oh, I think itong ulo. The heck? Okay, yun yung anomaly. Uy, gago na yan. I'm stuck. How do I get out? Hello, I'm stuck, man. 4:38. What do I need to find here? Come on. Hey! Oh, ano yun? The fuck? Okay, naantay niya lang ako. Sige, okay. Ganyan ka manggolat, ha? Okay, next. Ano to? Ko ba anomaly? Teddy bear? What is an... Uy, ano to? Hello? Hello, man. Burner Rex. Okay, it's night. Uy. Okay, I think we need to find all the teddy bears. May teddy bear pa ba? Ito. Teddy bear. Teddy bear. Teddy bear ka ba talaga, man? Oh, kandi dito yan sa labas. Well, I think not. Here? Teddy bear ba dito? Hello? Do we have a teddy bear, man? Okay. There's no teddy bear. Yep. So where's the teddy bear, man? Teddy bear, teddy bear. Okay, butterfly effect. Snowman. Uy, ano to? Ah, okay. Kailangan ko pa hanapin yung dalawa. Saan yung dalawa? Saan ko mahahanap yung dalawa? Up here. Okay. Siguro dyan. Hindi eh. So dito. Dyan. Kaiba naman sila. Okay. They're not, man. I think we've got it. Okay, ano to? Hello? Andito ba isang teddy bear? Teddy bear. Ano to? The heck? Hindi natin mabuksan yan. We need to find something, man. Kailangan may makita tayo. Ay, ano to? Okay, ganyan. Doon. Tapos, yung duck. The fuck? Ano yun? Nasa tagi. Okay, yung duck. Tsaka yung isang parang penguin. Okay. So, saan ko makikita yun? Hello? Oh, hell no. Gagi, ba't umiikot yung ulo nun? Hindi. Umiikot yung ulo niya, man. Hello? Kailangan ko yung penguin eh. Video natin yan. Ayun, anomaly yan, no? Anomaly. Hello? Yun. Pinugutan ng ulo, man. Susi. Okay. Susi doon. Okay, nice. You got this, man. Ayun na. Buksan mo. Yan lang. Oh shit, ayan na nga. Ito. Dito yung penguin, man. Tapos, nasan yung penguin? Ay, nako, saan natin makikita yung isa? Tama, ayan o, 1, 2, 3. Okay, nakatalikod yun siya. Now, where is the duck? Takbo sa busy silip tayo dyan. Sunday. Okay, kailangan natin yung duck. Yun, speaking of which, andyan na yung duck. Okay, let's go. Oh, what now? What now? Ano yun? Ito na. Ah. Okay. I think we're done here, man. Meron pa ba tayong titignan? I think not. Ayun. May kamay. Gagi. Meron pa ba? Yep, meron pa nga. Ayun, no? Okay. Next. Okay. Nice. Ano naman? Dito na naman. Shit! Mate, man! Oh, ano? Oh. Ah, fuck it! Ano? Ano, hello? Mali ka, man? Ganun siya, man. Okay. Next, please. Thank God, ang tagal ko dun. Hello? Ito. Okay, dito sa banyo. Ano yun? Tissue? Talaga? Para saan? Ano to? Oh, the fuck? I'm dead, man. Okay, mga glass shards. I think yun yung kukolektahin, yung glass shards. Where are the glass shards, man? Okay, yun yung mga glass shards. May glass shards pa ba dito? I think we're done, man. Ito na yung glass shards. The heck? So tayo yung anomaly din. Plot twist. Well, that's probably it, man. In the palm of my mind. 5913. I hope you do like it. Well, that's probably it, man. So if you like it, man, I hope you like and subscribe and click that bell button below. So ayun, Baz out. Zee!